What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 10 not fitting on the screen. So let's get right into it. So basically, to fix the display of it, like basically either being too small or too stretched, there's an easy way to fix this. All you need to do is right click into your desktop and you'll see something called display settings. In here, you're going to see over here, I have two monitors, but you're going to focus on the one that you're obviously concerned about. And in the display resolution, you want to first try where it says the recommended one. Most likely you're not on the recommended one. You want to essentially try that one and see if that fixes it for you. If not, basically where again over here, the display resolution, play around with all of them. That ends up working best for you. Usually the computer is smart enough, or Windows is smart enough to know what's best, hence why it gives a recommendation. But again, if yours for some reason it can't tell, just play around with this to get the best one that you need. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the like button, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.